Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. As you can tell, I'm a little congested today. That's because they've been doing all kinds of combining around here, and it's kicked up my allergies. We're in the shop, and I'm gonna do a few things. I got a truck coming in that I gotta do brakes on. It's my dad's truck, so I've got some of it cleaned up. We got to pick up the stuff off that table, clean it up, and we got to get all these buckets and tack and all that stuff. We'll put it up on the storage up there and just do a little cleaning here. But the weather's been kind of up and down lately, but right now for the next 5 days we're gonna have about mid-50s and sunny, which that's pretty good for, you know, mid-November. I've only gotten out one time hunting. I'm hoping to get out this weekend. We're gonna have some cool mornings, so that will be a good time to go hunting. So, and I'll take you guys along when I can get out there. All right, guys, I'm gonna put you on some time lapse and we'll do a little cleaning here. All right, made some progress here. Just gotta move some bikes and stuff around over here and clean this little mess up and give it a good sweep. So I'll be able to get that truck in here real easy. Got enough here. Last thing I really got to do is clean up this table, finish up these pig feeders for next year. That way I have them done. Get them done and get them off this table, put that saw away. You know, all the good stuff. Just put stuff away from all the projects that's been happening through the summer that I never got to finish and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna take you guys outside to the barn. We just weaned the two little baby horses. So I'm just gonna let you see how they're reacting to it. And, the one mama, she's kind of a little excited. The other one doesn't seem to really care less. So let's take you out to the barn and see what's happening. Yeah, they'll get along.
Next year, I'm putting them out together sooner. I waited too long, and then they were afraid. Well, the other one was so much bigger.
This is the one that was having a problem with it, but she put feed in front of her. I think she might be okay. All right, we'll just monitor them throughout the night and all day tomorrow. Tomorrow's Veterans Day. Well, it's observed tomorrow. It's actually on Saturday, but we'll see how they do. And I'll catch up with you guys here in a little while. It might be tomorrow, it might be later today. We'll come and check on them. All right, guys, well, it's a few days later. Got home from work a little bit early today. Kind of like the last nice weather day we're going to get here for a couple weeks. And the pastures are dry enough for me to get a couple round bales in there. First thing I do is put these couple horses inside, and then we'll get the John Deere fired up and we'll get some round bales put in there. Still have 4 chickens that we cannot keep in the coop. Oh boy. And as far as the babies are, they pretty much friended up with each other. And the mama's pretty much settled down. They're not too worried about them. We've let them out, and they don't do much whinnying anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna let these 2 horses in, and then like I said, we'll get the John Deere fired up. All right, well, we got those guys in. So now let's go see if the John Deere will fire up. All right, well, both them bales are in there. Kind of got stuck in the manure pile over here. All that weight on the front end, that thing doesn't want to go through anything. Downfalls of two-wheel drive, I guess. But we got them in there anyhow. So like I said, the weaned horses, the babies are doing good. They still whinny a little bit, but that first horse I brought in, that's the layover horse that my wife went down to West Virginia to get. It'll be here about 4 months, and then it'll go back on the racetrack. Henry is going to be racing here probably within a week, so he'll get back on the track. And our youngest one, Peanut, she should be racing sometime in December. So anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Been a couple days worth, but I'll catch you on the next one.